Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. If you're a fresher and especially interested in AI, backend development or full stack roles, then today's video is going to be very useful for you because today I have brought 4 opportunities, two from a fast growing AI startup, one is a full stack engineer role and one is a front-end developer role for freshers. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Let's start with the first opportunity. The company is Mega AI and they are hiring for the role of backend engineering intern. This is a remote internship, so you can work from anywhere, and no experience is required. This internship offers a 12 to 14 LPA, which is extremely high for intern role. Now let's understand what you will actually do in this role. You will be working on backend systems that power AI agents. This includes building APIs, handling sessions, and creating execution pipelines. You will also work on systems that connect voice and chats inputs to real workflows, meaning your code will directly impact how AI agents perform real tasks. Another important part is improving system reliability. You will work on logging, monitoring, retries, and error handling to make systems stable. You will also integrate third party tools and debug real production issues. So, overall, this is a very strong backend plus real world system role. Now, coming to the skills, you should know Python, REST APIs, Git, and basic database management. TypeScript knowledge is also a plus. Now coming to the second opportunity from the same company. Again, the company is Mega AI and they are hiring for the role of LLM Engineer. This is also a remote internship with no experience required. Again, stipend is around 12 to 14 LPA, make it one of the best internship available right now. Now what you will do here, you will work directly with large language models like building and refining prompts, designing workflows, and improving AI behavior. You will create evaluation pipelines to measure performance and accuracy of models. You will analyze outputs, identify issues, and continuously improve results. You will also collaborate with backend teams to integrate LLMs into real production systems. So this is a very focused on generative AI and real-world AI systems. Now coming to the skills, you should have strong Python knowledge, basic of AI ML, APIs and tools like LangChain. Understanding of LLMs and prompt engineering will be a big advantage here. Now moving to third opportunity, this is a full stack engineer role in a real estate tech company. The location is Mumbai and this is a full-time on-site role. Now, what you will do here, you will work on building full stack applications covering the entire user journey from search and discovery to transaction and even property management systems. You will be working on MERN stack technology and building real world scalable platforms. Now, selection process is also important here. First, there will be an offline assessment at centers like Mumbai. After that, there will be an AI based interviews, resume evaluation, aptitude test, technical rounds, and HR discussion. Now, eligibility, any degree, any branch, but especially 2026 batch graduates can apply, and salary is around 7 to 8 LPA, which is decent for freshers. Now, moving to the fourth opportunity, the company is Obtenir Solutions. The company is Obtenir Solutions, and they are hiring for the role of front-end developers. This is a full-time role across multiple locations like Mumbai, Pune, and Jaipur, and there are 10 openings. Now, your work here is you will be building responsive web interfaces using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You will also develop UI components using frameworks like React, Angular, or Vue. So, this is a proper front-end developer role. Now, coming to the skills, as I said, you should have knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and at least one front-end framework. Understanding of responsive design and UI development is also important here. Coming to the eligibility, freshers and graduates can apply, and there is no strict degree restriction mentioned. Salary ranges between 4.75 to 6.5 LPA. So, yeah, guys, these were the 4 opportunities. If you are interested in AI and high paying internship, go for Mega AI. And if you are already into development, choose based on your skills for front end development or full stack development role. Make sure to check out the application link in the description box. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching, guys.